speak English fluently, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Welcome to ATC family. Hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to learn some commonly used words in our daily conversation. So let's get started. About. About. What about you? What about you? Please forget about it. Please forget about it. Above. Above. Tom lives in the room above us. Tom lives in the room above us. She is certainly above 40. She is certainly above 40. Across. Across. He got across the river. He got across the river. We walked across the ice. We walked across the ice. Act. Act. We have to act now. We have to act now. You need to act. You need to act. Activity. Activity. He is busy with many activities. He is busy with many activities. What's your favorite activity? What's your favorite activity? Add. Add. Add more water to it. Add more water to it. Please add up the bill. Please add up the bill. Afraid. Afraid. Rajiv is afraid. Rajiv is afraid. I am very afraid. I am very afraid. After. After. Who's after you? Who's after you? Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Again. Again. Ask her again. Ask her again. Think again. Think again. Age. Age. I feel my age. I feel my age. We are the same age. We are the same age. Ago. Ago. I saw him 3 years ago. I saw him 3 years ago. He died 1 year ago. He died 1 year ago. Agree. Agree. He agreed. He agreed. Najir agrees with Mona. Najir agrees with Mona. Air. Air. I need some air. I need some air. We would die without air. We would die without air. All. All. All is quiet. All is quiet. We all know. We all know. Alone. Alone. I wasn't alone. I wasn't alone. I work alone. I work alone. Along, along. Come along with me. Come along with me. Do you want to come along? Do you want to come along? Already, already. They already left. They already left. We have already met. We have already met. Always, always. He's always busy. He's always busy. I always try. I always try. Amount, amount. What is the total amount? What is the total amount? This amount of money is for you. This amount of money is for you. And. Go and ask him. Go and ask him. Wait and see. Wait and see. Angry, angry. He got angry. He got angry. I know that you are very angry. I know that you are very angry. Another, another. We have another problem as well. We have another problem as well. I should give Tom another chance. I should give Tom another chance. Answer, answer. Can anyone answer my question? Can anyone answer my question? I can't answer the phone now. I can't answer the phone now. Anyone, anyone. Isn't there anyone you know? Isn't there anyone you know? I don't want to hurt anyone. I don't want to hurt anyone. Anything, anything. I'm not hiding anything. I'm not hiding anything. I haven't seen anything. I haven't seen anything. Anytime, anytime. I can come here anytime. I can come here anytime. She could come round anytime. She could come round anytime. Appear, appear. She failed to appear. She failed to appear. A man appeared from behind the door. A man appeared from behind the door. Arm, arm. My arm hurts. My arm hurts. Seema only has one arm. Seema only has one arm. Around, around. Nobody's around. Nobody's around. I looked around. I looked around. Arrive, arrive. Will we arrive on time? Will we arrive on time? They arrived too early. They arrived too early. Art, art. What's your favorite art? What's your favorite art? Imran doesn't know much about art. Imran doesn't know much about art. Ask. Ask. I would like to ask a question. I would like to ask a question. Why don't we ask his advice? Why don't we ask his advice? Attack. Attack. A dog attacked the girl. A dog attacked the girl. The army attacked the kingdom. The army attacked the kingdom. Aunt. Aunt. My aunt was pleased with my success. My aunt was pleased with my success. She went to Paris to see her aunt. She went to Paris to see her aunt. Autumn. Autumn. It rains in early autumn. It rains in early autumn. It was a lovely autumn evening. It was a lovely autumn evening. Away. Away. Keep the gun away. Keep the gun away. Stay away from us. Stay away from us. Learn these 36 vocabularies and test yourself through a quiz test video which will be uploaded very soon. So stay connected with ATC channel.